Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the best mod that $15 can buy you. And no, I'm not talking about the $15 eBay performance chips, which I guess, would be the best performance mod. However, in this video, we're going to be talking about LEDs, the second best mod you could do to your car. And we're talking about the good kind of LEDs. Nothing will improve the look of your interior more than the beautiful, crisp, white light of an LED. In this video, I'll show you how to install LEDs onto a 2013 Honda Civic. However, the process is very similar for most cars. I just want you to look at how horrible this looks.
So guys, to start off, what you have to do is you have to pop these glass lenses off, and the light bulb is right behind there. All you have to do to pop them off is just grab a screwdriver and just pry it on the side right here. And the same with this one. When you get the lenses off, the bulbs are right behind there, so all you have to do is you just gotta pull them out and insert your new LEDs. Now you have to be careful with these LEDs because most of the time it matters which way you plug them in, meaning that positive has to go to positive and negative has to go to negative. So just pull the old bulbs out and just slide the new ones in. So next step is going to be to reinstall these clear plastic lenses. Now all you have to do to put them back in, you just have to align it correctly and then just push it up. And there it is. It just clicks right into place.
So in the rear, all you have to do is the same thing as in the front. Just pop the lens off and swap out the bulb. Now there's two clips on this lens, so don't just grab one and try to pry it off all the way. Just pry one off a little bit and then move on to the next one, and then the whole plastic piece will come off. And the same thing with the bulb. You just take it out like this, and then you put your LED in. And you just reinstall it just like you pulled it out. The light in the trunk is really easy to do. All you do is you just literally pull it out with your finger and then you swap the bulb out, same way as you did with the other ones. So this is where the bulb sits. All you have to do is pull it out like this and then just put your new LED in. And then you gotta plug it back into the wire. So the license plate light comes out by squeezing a screwdriver in between the trunk lid and the light. You just gotta squeeze it in back here and then pry it open. And it comes down like this. And you just have to unplug it. And here's the light fixture. What you have to do is you have to squeeze these two tabs on either side and pull it out. And when you have it out, it's the same situation as the other bulbs. You just pull it out and put the new one back in. Just like that. And plug it back in. And put it back into the trunk lid. So there it is. That's how you install LED lights on a 2013 Civic. It's just freaking nice, man. Beautiful.